Hi, welcome to Brain Break with Randy and Keith0. I'm KeithO. I thought while I wait in the car for someone to come out of a medical appointment that I'm driving home, I thought I'd share a story that happened to me a few years ago. I had moved from Canada to the States and was working at a title company. We did a lot of paperwork, and a lot of the paperwork needed to be filled out in triplicate. Back in those days, we used typewriters to do that. Yes, computers were already around, but that's the way the title business had been doing it for many years, and it still worked. So we kept on doing it. One day we hired a new person to come work in the office. She was a young lady just out of school, and she came in and was shown where her desk was, and sitting on her desk was a typewriter, and she asked what it was. She had never seen a typewriter. So she learned how to use a typewriter. Of course, now all of those things are done, printed, prepared on computer, and then printed in triplicate if needs be. In fact, most of those now are not even printed out. They are sent electronically back and forth. My wife and I recently signed a mortgage, and we did sign all of the documents in paper form, but until it was time to do the actual final signing, everything was just digital. We were able to review it and approve it, sign it digitally until it came to the final step. So it's just fascinating to see the changes in technology. Now, of course, we're starting to look at artificial intelligence coming into play, where computers are not only doing what we tell them, but they are exercising thinking. Well, they're not really thinking. They really cannot think. They only pretend to think because we've told them to pretend to think. In fact, I like to say that artificial intelligence is pretty dumb. But more on that another time. Thanks for listening. We always enjoy having you join us on Brain Break with Randy and Keith. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, tell your friends about us if you're enjoying it. Thanks so much.